Welcome! If you want to keep your Telegram channel organized and never miss an important announcement, scheduling messages is the perfect solution. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to schedule a message on your Telegram channel, making sure your content reaches your audience at exactly the right time. Start by opening the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Remember, scheduling messages isn't available on the web version, so make sure you're using the mobile or desktop app for this feature. Once you're in the app, head over to your channel. This is where you'll be sending your scheduled message. Tap into the message box and type out exactly what you want to say. Whether it's an announcement, a reminder, or a promotional update, get your message ready, but don't send it just yet. Now, here's the key step. Instead of simply tapping the send button, press and hold it. After a brief moment, a menu will appear with some new options. From this menu, select Schedule Message. A calendar and time selector will pop up, allowing you to pick the exact date and time you want your message to be sent. Take your time to set it just right. Whether you want the message to go out in a few hours, tomorrow, or even weeks from now, you're in control. Once you've chosen your preferred date and time, confirm your selection. Your message is now scheduled. Telegram will automatically send it to your channel at the time you specified, so you don't have to worry about being online or remembering to hit send. If you ever need to review, edit, or delete your scheduled messages, just tap the little calendar icon that appears in your channel's message bar. This gives you quick access to all your scheduled posts so you can manage them anytime. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can keep your Telegram channel active and your audience engaged, all while saving yourself time and effort. Try scheduling your next message and see how easy it is to stay ahead.